day, everyone. My name is Karen Emparan. My topic is all about Rule 25 License Training Course for Security Personnel. Section 77 Private Security Personnel Training Course PSPTC. There shall be a specific training course required for specific RESP security personnel category. The SSPB shall design and develop a specific program of instruction POI for each sub-course, subject to approval of Chief of Session. Rule 26. Additional qualification and documentary requirements for issuance of LSP-specific and category of security profession. Section 79. Security Watchman. The following are the additional qualification and documentary requirements for LSP Security Watchman. Section 80. Security Hardware and System Designer and Planners. The following are additional qualification and documentary requirements for LSP Security Hardware and System Supervisor. Section 81. K9 Handler. The following are additional qualification and documentary requirements for LSP K9 Handler. Security Guard. The following are the additional qualification and documentary requirements for LSP Standard Security Guard. Rule 27. In-service enhancement training for private security personnel. Section 90. Period for PSP to undergo in-service enhancement training. All PSPs shall be undergo in-service enhancement training during the 5-year validity of their LSP under all categories, which will be coursed through their employer within 60 days for the specified work date from the issuance of the license. That's all. Thank you.